Hello friends, I am Dr. Ankush Kaushik from Patanjali Yoga Sansthan. I have done PhD in Yoga and Meditations and Masters in various alternative therapies with total 18-year experience. I have researched a lot about the various diseases. Today I am going to tell you about the polycystic ovarian syndromes. Polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS) is affecting 1 out of 6 females in the India, and total 117 million females are suffering from the polycystic ovarian syndrome in whole over world, and it is the major cause of infertility and major disturbance, hormonal disturbance in the females. It can be treated totally by the natural way. There is no cure of polycystic ovarian syndrome in the modern medical science, but in natural way it can be cured, or I can say managed properly or managed completely without the help of the medicines, only by the way of detox diet, medical yoga, change in lifestyles, and inclusions of some prebiotics and some antioxidants. But before telling you all these treatments, you should know what is the polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a very diverse term. Most of the females, what they think, if they are having the cyst in their ovaries, only then they are suffering from the polycystic ovarian syndromes. Friends, number of and size of the cyst also depend. Basically, the cyst should be more than 24, and this also not applied to the females below the age of 18 and above the age of 30, because below the age of 14 the cyst number may be extra, because the female is gaining its ovulation cycle, and after the 30-32 there is a maturity. Automatically there is a decrease in size of the eggs and the ovulation, so that number of cysts may decrease. And the size of the cyst should be more than 2 to 10 millimeters in size of the cyst, and size of the ovaries, if it is more than 10 centimeters, only then it is called the polycystic ovarian syndrome. Not only the size of the cyst and the number of cysts detects the polycystic ovarian syndrome, but there are other factors also. In many females there is no cyst in the ovaries, still they are suffering from the PCOS. Other two symptoms are the disturbance in the ovulation cycle and disturbance in the androgen and estrogen level. That androgen and estrogen level is mainly the male and female hormone disturbance. Okay, there are 4 phenotypes of the ovarian PCOS basically. One is the first is the most severe form. In all the 3 symptoms are present. Disturbance in the ovarian cycle, ovulation period. Second, disturbance in the androgen and estrogen hormone, and third is the presence of cyst in the ovary. In second phenotype, there is no polycysts in the ovary, no cyst in the ovary, only the ovulation and the androgen estrogen disturbance. In third type, there is no disturbance. In third and fourth type basically, there is no disturbance of the ovulation. Cysts are present, androgen are present, androgen and estrogen disturbance is present. In fourth type, there is no disturbance in the ovulation. Only the estrogen androgen disturbance is there, and the polycystic cysts are present in the ovaries. These all are the types of polycystic ovarian syndromes. In the next video, I am going to tell you something about what are the main causating factors, because we have to erupt the root cause of the factor, then only we can remove the cyst from the ovaries. I can tell you the 4 factors in next video.